Welcome to LeadMaster. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make phone calls from the CRM using Click-to-Call and Ooma Office. First, you need to install the Ooma Office application by navigating to the Ooma support site and downloading it for either Mac or Windows. Once you've installed it, you'll need to log in. Use the credentials provided by Ooma. Next, let's configure LeadMaster. Go to My Account and choose the phone number hyperlink provider, Ooma. Click Update. You'll need to log out and log back in before it takes effect. Now, let's dial some phone numbers. Simply click on the phone number. A window will appear. What do you want to make a call from? In this case, I want to call from the Ooma Office app.
Thank you for calling American Telesys. Press 1 for billing.
If you'd like to make another call, click on LeadMaster and click on the next phone number. That's all there is to it. This concludes the video on Click to Call from the LeadMaster application using Ooma Office.